Good morning, I'm Dr. Anna Edmiston. I'm a vision correction surgeon at ClearSight and 43 Vision in Oklahoma City. I just wanted to get on here and talk about myself a little bit. I was born in Alabama. I went to Auburn University for undergrad, War Eagle. I trained in Colorado. The reason why I ended up going into this field is because I just thought, I really love people and I would love to serve people and help them in some way. And whenever I learned about ophthalmology and I learned about what I could do with surgery to correct people's vision, it was just so amazing. It just left such an impression on me that I decided to become an ophthalmologist. With vision correction, it is a specialized form of ophthalmology. We get to learn how to do surgery to get people out of glasses pretty much everywhere from age 18 on. Today specifically is lens replacement day. What we're going to be doing is primarily for people who either have to wear readers to see up close or have to wear bifocals. That's what lens replacement fixes. I get to help our director of surgical operations get out of glasses. She's my special patient today and she's going to be first, so I can't wait to get her done. And we'll have a good full day ahead.
Hi, Albert. Left eye seals are.
Okay, Teri. Okay, here comes that bright light that we talked about.
Wow.
You're doing great. You still feeling good? All right. You only have just a little bit more to do. You're doing great. Okay, yeah, let's get that lens and then you'll be all done, Teri. Everything went great. Your lenses are perfectly centered. They both correct your astigmatism, so you're gonna be good.
Thank you so much, everybody. You are amazing.
Oh, you're welcome.
I see you.
You can see me.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, you did it. She did great. She's gonna see really well tomorrow.